like Sheffield, as an international person, has a lot of opportunities. It has a bit of everything for everyone. You know, like there's the places to go out for people that like going out. Me, myself, I'm more laid back. I'm more into societies and clubs and all that. That might not be from the city itself, but more from like the uni. But also like the peaks, for example. I love going to the peaks. The parks, the green spaces, all that. The city is just, you know, it's its own thing. It's great. So I think what makes engineering so special in Sheffield is like how the campus itself is, you know, it's top notch. It's basically state of the art like equipment. Everything's new, everything's like super high tech. And also like the way it's taught, it's kind of like they just throw you in there and you have to do your research. You have to figure out yourself how things work. And like that at first is a bit daunting, you know, but in the end, like in retrospective, I do believe like I learned a lot by doing my own research and of course interacting with the facilities that were at my disposal. So the memories I think that I'll carry with me forever here would be, well, the first moments here when I met my friends, because you know, I feel like I connected with so many people that I don't know, I built like so many nice friendships along my way, and I think I'll cherish that. I'll carry that with me